So we have just started the recording for the second session, and now we're going to show you how to use this little guy. And whenever I'm doing a recording like this that I know the students are going to be seeing later, they don't see me pointing. All they see is what's on this screen.
So you use one of them.
You betcha. So I'm going to go right down here, and I'm going to press this guy.
Okay.
Okay? And when I press this, I get this little dialog box. And this little dialog box, let's make sure we all know what we're talking about when we're watching this later. Okay, I'm going to press this. Okay, and you see this? All right. I'm going to take this little guy. I have to use my mouse now, so I'm not doing it with my hands. And I'm going to do exactly what I did to get that picture. See what I just did?
Just outline it.
Just outline it. Let go.
And,
Okay, and there it is. And it opens up a new page in your notebook and just throws it in there.
Oh, and there it is, right above the
So
shoulder.
this is a new page, the one we were looking at.
Is it the second
Yeah.
page of the one we were at? It's
Yep.
still on the same
Here,
file.
let's go page up. Oops, I have to just a second get rid of that. No, here.
Oh,
Okay, see where we are?
Yeah.
What are you actually?
That's the
looking
first page.
This is the first page.
And then he scrolls down.
Now you see,
Oh, that's the page, okay.
see my page forward and back. I'm now pointing down here. Okay, my page forward and back can be operated from here, or it can be operated from over here.
Yeah.
So you
and-
can use that capture for something, like a picture of, say, a supernova or something like that.
Anything your heart desires. If it's on your screen, you can pick it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you go to
So-
another file in your computer, pick it up, say something you've downloaded, often, pick it up, take the
Throw it
picture, throw it in there on another page, and you can add it into wherever you want it in the lesson with the, that's what I meant.
There it is.
What's the next
Anything
one?
you want.
What's
I
the
can go to a web page. Here, let's go to a web page. My favorite web page.
His web
Come on.
page.
Okay. And you want to see these cute little girls, okay? Oh, here. You got to press this first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, so it'll
Now-
give you the hash
Now I've
marks.
got this guy. Let's get over here.
It gives you the hash marks.
And there you are. If I had done that with my mouse, I could have dragged it to where I want.
Just the
And
picture.
yeah, if I just wanted the picture. I'm stuck now. It's going to take the whole thing. Okay, and saving the ink notes and the whole 9 yards.
And where does it go?
Okay, right back into the notebook file.
Uh,
I was on the web.
Oh, that's right.
Right. Got it.
Any website you want.
Got it.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
What's the next
It's great.
one right next to it? See
What?
You touch, see those where it says caption?
Capture. Down here, your
Oh.
capture box.
You can play with these. I don't know what all of them do. This allows you, I think, to do instead of doing straight lines, you can do an outline. Okay?
What about the other two you don't know?
I don't know. I just this is the one that I use most often. You have to, with all of this stuff, you just have to play with
This
it.
one looks like it's going to take a picture of a line what you want
there
it
you
to
go.
take.
Okay? So what we were saying was that this guy right, oops, can't do it. Okay, this guy right, straight below my line was the one to take a full screen, and this would be to take, what? What do you think?
I
Oh, the
said,
whole web page.
yeah,
Probably a whole web page.
yeah.
Whatever. Let's go ahead and try this just for
Okay.
fun. Let's go back to the original screen, or the first screen, and let's
Okay.
go ahead and hit that baby.
Oh, yeah, it did.
Yeah.
See, it captured the whole page. Now take a picture.
What's
And
it
then-
doing?
Hit the hash mark thing again and see if it'll take a picture. No. Oh, it
Bingo.
did. It
This
did.
image is very large.
Oh,
Keep
it did.
resolution.
Ha-ha. It
Got the whole
worked.
thing.
Okay,
That's exactly
how
what
you
it
do
did. Apparently, it took the box that all this text was in.
Yeah.
Because I can see the outline
Yeah.
and the little handle up here and all that stuff.
Yeah, to
Okay.
rotate
By the
it.
way,
Mhm.
when you want to get rid of ink and you don't want to get rid of anything else, you can do there. You can do this little guy.
Oh, look at that.
And
So if you hit it again, it's gonna take the next one you put in.
the ink from the page. Here, just a second. Let me get rid of this. And
Because you have a picture, yeah, no.
this should get rid of the ink. I don't know why it's not doing it.
It's probably doing it on the other pages you had it, because you marked on some of the other pages.
Yeah, because that's a picture
Have I
of
started
the
the
mark.
second
Right,
recording?
right,
Oh,
right.
no.
Remember, that's a picture, that's a picture.
That's a picture. That's a picture. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And when you want to get rid of a picture like this, you can just, do a delete. Click on it anywhere and get rid of it.
Cool.
Okay. Or you can get rid of the whole page by going right down here in the bottom right corner. Hit that little X. That page is gone now. Let's get rid of this page because I don't want to keep that.
Okay.
Let's see if ink notes thing will work here. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Got it. Oh, it was part of the picture. That's why it wouldn't go away. You get faked out with this stuff sometimes.
You don't know where you are.
It's really cool.
Yeah, you gotta keep straight of where you are. because
Yeah.
you're sitting there going,
Yeah.
"Why does the computer
Yeah.
do
Why
this?"
doesn't it do that?
Daddy,
Okay.
you're not doing it.
So we're doing our little video, and let's go on down now and do some more fun stuff. Right here, how to video and what you do, and also how to get these little icons. Let's get this over here a little bit out of my way because I'm not going to be using. Let's see. You see, see where my pointer is in the
Yeah.
bottom right corner of the screen. I'm going to do a right click.
Oh.
Oh,
So you can just add all kinds of.
anything you want that's there.
You could actually go to print something right off your SmartBoard screen.
Can you?
Of course.
Well, see, there's the printer.
Where?
Put it down there, put the printer in your toolbox, hit print.
Can you?
Yeah, all that the printer does, all that printer icon is going to do is to take you into the print dialog box
Yeah,
Yeah.
but then
Yeah.
you can.
and whatever's on the screen. Then you can print whatever you want. Right, right.
Bingo.
You can do file print. I don't find that all that useful, but
Yeah.
if you don't have this little guy on your toolbar, you really want to have that. You have to be careful of one thing with this dude. When you hit this dude, if you are on an instant question, which we haven't talked about yet, if we're on an instant question, it'll take the instant question and trash it too.
Oh, because you wrote.
However,
Yeah.
there is always Control Z.
Yeah.
Control Z is wonderful. It brings the whole thing back. Oh, it's enough to make a grown man cry if he's just spent 2 hours on that screen.
Yeah.
Anyway, so yeah.
Now, can
So now, how do
you?
you
What is that you doing?
watch what happens here now? I'm going to take this guy and the instant conferencing thing, and I'm going to drag it down to wherever I want it to be. Once you position it, you can't move it to a different position. Okay, so I'm going to put it in right here, and now I decided I don't want it, so I just drag it back up anywhere in this box, and it removes it from the toolbar. Yeah.
Can you, in addition to being able to print directly from the SmartBoard, what is the control that you use? Like, I want to email this page to you. Because I know you can do it.
Well,
But I
why
don't
would you
know.
do that if you have a URL?
You
You
just,
just
so
email
you
them the
just,
URL.
Yeah.
and then you just upload it, so you would upload it to your URL.
Well, the whole thing's being recorded right now and going to his URL.
Yeah.
Well, it's not going to my URL. It's going to be placed on YouTube,
It's gonna be
and it will be
posted
visible for everybody.
For everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Right.
So,
I
but
see.
so if you had a private one though, that had a URL, you could email Kim,
Now, private
Well, not
is,
private.
you're talking about YouTube private.
yeah, the YouTube wasn't private, what was it, the one that you always use?
Yeah, it's the
Uh-huh.
second level of
Right.
security.
Second one. You
Yeah.
could just mail Kim the URL.
Oh, yes,
And she can-
yes,
so it goes
yes,
there
and
it is.
she can pick up that video. Yes,
So you don't
yes.
need to email the whole thing, you just
Okay.
send them
Right.
the link.
Yeah.
Got it.
right. Okay, so
Got it.
that, did everybody see how I got to this now? We
Yeah.
go down here, right click,
Mhm.
and that shows it to you. And then when we're done, playing in and out, whatever we want to do, we just click done and it's over.
Okay.
Now, this is a little video that I made on the weekend to just do a slight little intro to show you how these little guys work. This is where I went to a web page, and I'm going to show you how I did it right now. So let's get my web page up, and here, and I'm going to get the URL for this web page. So I go up into, and by the way, we are not in Smart anymore.
No, we're on the internet.
We're on the internet now. And guess what? This works. Nice, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
I can say, now kids, when you want to use the calendar, got it?
Yeah.
Okay, and I can show them how to use the calendar. When I do this, the ink's going to go away, but we can go back here and, I'm going to close the link,
Oh, I see, okay, okay.
close the ink.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go there. Are you going? You're not going. Okay, I have to, there.
Oh, there, okay.
10th was, yeah, okay. And this is my website, the homework page for that particular day.
Sweet.
Okay. This is a real database, real-time, online, interactive database that allows me to do all kinds of stuff. My son wrote it. Probably would cost $30,000 to have this program written, but he's pretty good with computers. At any rate, let's pull the URL now. Here we go. We go right up here. All right, we're gonna click in here. I got to get rid of the ink probably first. Yeah. Oh.
You probably gotta go.
Yeah, I got to get rid of the ink later. Okay, so we're going to go in here, and I'm going to do Control-C. That's for copy. Okay. And now I hope I'm going to go back into my notebook.
Yeah,
And here we are. And I am going to put in a new page, and I'm just going to do Control-V for copy.
okay.
And now I have a link to that page, and it is 100% functional immediately. Bing.
Oh, it's already a hyperlink.
It's a hyperlink.
It a hyperlink.
Yeah.
Huh.
Right.
Okay.
Very
cool.
powerful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very powerful. Okay. So close all these tabs. Yeah, we can get rid of these guys. All right. So that's how I
So
got.
the little world.
That's how I got this little guy.
The little world icon just tells you it's a hyperlink.
Mm-hmm. And by the way, I didn't want to delete that page right now. I think I want to do something else with it. So let's bring it back. That was Control-Z.
Oh, Control-Z. Okay.
Nice to know about.
Control-Z.
Control-Z. It's a savior. All right. Now,
You can
notice
have
that notice this thing moves around. Okay, this is just an object. And if I just single click that dude, I have a little dude right down here. See where I am? Or lower right corner of that box.
Yeah.
And I'm just closing that little guy up.
Yeah.
And now what I do frequently is I just tuck it away over there, and then I'll put in a label. By the way, how do you start typing on a blank page? Click and start typing. This is click, left click. Click anywhere you want. This is my hyperlink. And now I click outside. Watch this. This is fun. You don't have to increase your type size. You just click on that little dude, grab the little bar at the bottom right, and now you have bigger text.
Right, right.
Cool, huh?
No, I didn't do that.
I can't tell you. If someone had told me this a year and a half ago, the hours and hours. Oh, and now you don't like what the font.
Size, yeah.
So let's go here and let's go bold.
Just click on.
This little guy right here.
Oh, I hate that. I'm so mad right now. I've been highlighting it.
But now you know. And now let's say that you wanted this to be a different color. You don't have to go in there and highlight the text and all that stuff. Go to line style. Click on that. And now let's make it blue.
Yeah, but Les.
Yes.
You put that shortcut.
No, it's this. No, it's there.
It's always there.
Oh, it's always there. See, watch. Here we go.
No, now the shortcut's gone now.
No, it's not. It did what it's supposed to do. It took me to the web.
Yeah. Oh, he
Okay.
hit the link.
I hit the link.
Yeah.
Okay, close all the tabs again. Oops, there goes Sonic Wall.
Okay,
Oh well.
Here's what I
Okay.
need you to do. You can do this. Okay, you can tell me how to do this.
Oh, if I could only do.
What if I want like a red box or
You want a
blue
red box?
with white lights.
Perfect.
Oh, blue box with white lights. Okay, go right here.
Oh, the back.
You see this
Okay,
little dude?
yeah,
This
shape.
little guy right here. There you go. Little shape dude. And you can get all kinds of shapes come up. My favorite is to use this guy. I like this guy because he's a box.
Okay,
Okay, he has square corners and,
yeah.
Okay, if you wanted round, you'd use this
What
guy.
about the square right next to it? That's a
The
rectangle.
square right next to it is a rectangle and will always be a rectangle.
Okay, oh, that's, okay, so
So
there's.
See,
you can
it's
increase it.
it's a rectangle. I can
Okay,
do
so
it.
now what do I do?
Now.
Now, I like to be able to make it the way I want it. I want control. So I like this guy.
Okay.
And why do I like this guy? Because now I can do this.
Oh.
See?
So you can make it a square if you want to.
Make
or
it a square if you want, or anything else.
But the square is
Now.
always gonna be a square.
I started this in the wrong place and I wanted it around my words. This is my hyperlink. Now you have to be sure. You see, as long as this guy is flashing on you,
Yeah,
you have to know that that means you are not a pointer anymore.
okay.
You got to get back to being a pointer.
Okay,
You see how I did that?
yeah.
I was doing that right here. Now that I'm a pointer, I can click on this and move it. Aren't I smart? Oh, but it's not thick enough. Go back over here, A for art. Think of it that way.
Yeah,
And now I want this one. What color would you like
she
it?
wants a red box.
You want a red box?
No, let's do light green.
Light green.
Okay.
You want a light green?
The reason,
Ah! Now, you see? Now, why did it do that?
I don't know.
Okay, because I didn't select my box. I do that all the time. Control Z, it'll go away. All is not lost. And now I click that and come back. Now what color did you say you wanted?
Light green.
Okay, now, here's the thing. If you wanted that to be a light green border, you have to do line style.
Okay. No, I wanted to fill the whole thing.
Okay, you asked for it.
So what-
All right. That's fill effects. And now our little light green, is this light green? No, this guy, light green.
All right, so now I can't see the
The
letter.
word.
Ah, but we can always solve that problem. Watch this. Right click and
The back.
Order.
Order.
And then bring to front.
no, we want
You
to
want
bring
Send it to the back.
send to the back. Yeah.
Ah.
Okay.
Well, that's so.
That was so hard.
When did
Until
you
showed
go?
it to me.
When did you go to get the book?
Where did I go to get all that stuff? Right here where it says art. A for art. Okay?
Oh, you went to-
So you do it.
Well, you clicked on it to get the thing, bring to
Okay.
or send it back.
That's what I did.
you
Yeah.
clicked on
Yeah,
it.
that's a function at the site.
Right click.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right
And
click.
then- And then you go to order.
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 Now,
And then
Mac, that's why I'm recording this thing, so you can go back and, how did he do that? Yeah, I know, been there, had that issue, yes, I know. Okay, let's get
let's
get rid of this thing.
She said she wants to see white printing.
White printing, no problem, here we go. And
So which
when,
one are you on? Are you on the box or on the letters?
okay, the box is in the back, so I think I'm on the letters, we're gonna find out in just a minute. Okay, I'm gonna go here.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go to line effects, or line effects, and let's make that text white.
There you
Oh, okay.
Wow.
So
So
that's
now
right.
you can see based on.
Powerful,
See,
huh?
because Shauna gave me this thing and it had notes.
Hmm.
So it had that, it had a little
I
thing at the
know.
bottom that said notes. So you could pull the notes up
Yeah,
and
yeah,
pull
yeah.
the notes, and it was so cool looking, but I didn't know. how
Oh,
to make
now
it.
you can do that. Now, watch,
Oh, she just talked.
watch and learn. Here we go. Right click this, whoop, not right click. Left click this guy. Now, hold down your control or your shift key, won't matter, and then get into that text. Okay, I gotta do the text first, and now I'm gonna do the box.
Right, and you group them.
Yeah.
And then control G,
Yeah.
group them.
Yeah.
I can't get them to hold together. Just a second. There we go. Now you see the two boxes, and group it,
And now you
Right.
group it.
oops,
And now
group,
you move together.
and now they'll move together.
Yeah.
How did you group? Oh, that's-
Control G.
Oh, that, see, I was doing right click and group and non-group.
Ah,
How do you ungroup?
On group is just as easy. Control R.
Now, where did you learn all that? What is control
The
R?
shortcuts.
Hours and hours and hours.
What was control R? Control R. is
Control
on
R
group.
just ungrouped them.
And if you go,
Now Control G groups them back.
if you go to draw, wait, show them the menu. If you go to draw.
Oh,
go to
over
the
here.
Menu
Okay.
of draw.
No.
No.
Menu of draw.
Up there at the
Up top
top.
menu.
At the top.
Are you talking about this guy?
No,
What are you
I'm
talking about?
talking
Up at the top under Smart Notebook.
right there where it says draw.
Oh, okay.
So if you open that, see how it says Control plus G,
Oh.
Control plus R, those are
Oh
the
my
shortcuts, he just
God.
memorized them.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, so I'm gonna go.
I use this so much.
Yeah.
You know,
I'm
it just,
sorry.
He just
it's crazy. It's crazy to go back to the menus.
So
So-
as you use it, you will learn
Yes.
as, when you write it, you'll learn that, numbers, 1, 2, 3, no?
The four that you're going to use more than any other.
Eraser is Control.
Here they are. Watch. Okay, Control J, Control K is for lock. Now you can't move it.
Okay,
Oh.
Click it again, and you'll see a little lock there.
yeah.
All right. Control J
Again,
unlocks it.
so it locks and unlocks, it's the same one,
Right.
but G and, what was the other, G and R are group and ungroup.
Yep.
Right.
G and R are group and on group.
All right.
Now,
I'm not gonna write this down, so I'm gonna make
The-
myself memorize it.
yeah,
That's what I'm doing, what I.
you can see it on my video. We're right about 21 minutes right now. Okay. So let's say that you wanted to have this in several different places. Oh, okay. Let's make this into an infinite cloner.
Right.
Now, what is frustrating about infinite cloners is that you cannot delete it. You cannot select it. You can't do anything to it except click, hold, and drag.
Oh, we have to do it.
Okay? Click, hold, and drag.
But that could be good if you had like titles or some, you liked your format.
Or you're
you wanted-
building something and you want the elements that you're building.
Sure,
Okay?
sure. Exactly.
Now-
Like a peach.
Now, let's say, look, I just don't want the stupid thing there. Okay, right click, watch, and it says infinite cloner there.
Yeah,
Click it, and it's no longer an infinite cloner.
right.
Okay, what happens if I want to clone it to another page? I could go to
Control
another-
copy,
Control copy, okay,
make a new
and then-
page,
New page. Oh,
Control V.
Got it.
And it's still an infinite cloner on that page?
If you
No.
left it.
No.
No, you cannot copy it.
Now, if you was
Yeah.
an infinite cloner, could you copy it?
Of course.
Okay, just curious.
So
But you
copying is
cannot-
Like moving it around on the page you're working.
Let me tell you how I would copy an infinite cloner. Let's make this back into an infinite cloner. Okay, now, I cannot do anything but this, right?
Right.
Okay, so I do that once, and I would either do a Control X, which is deleted, or I'm sorry, this guy, Control X,
Oh, to cut. Yeah,
Cut,
and then paste it.
and then paste it.
Yeah.
And of course, you can paste and paste and paste and paste.
Yeah,
and paste.
Control V, come on. My Control V won't work for some reason, but at any rate, you get the idea?
Yeah.
Okay, and this guy is still functional.
Yeah, he's your
Left.
micro-
He's my link, right?
How big is that instance?
Okay, yes,
Will you tell us about the four pictures of the screens on the bottom next to your
absolutely.
icon with the squiggly line? Yeah, that one and the next
Shade.
one and the next one.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the shade is,
Oh, that's the one you're talking about where you.
Here,
can
let's-
raise and lower it.
now shade, watch this. If I hit shade again,
Uh-huh,
it gets rid of it.
right.
So you can get rid of shade two places, there and in the top right corner. You see that X?
Uh-huh,
I would normally draw a line to that for the recording, but
Yeah.
you won't see it.
okay.
What's the
So-
implication for this? Why would someone use this?
I'll show
Because-
you.
Step by step.
Because what?
Now look, folks,
Oh,
See?
this is my hyperlink. And guess what?
This
This is my hyperlink too. And in case you didn't do it the first time, this is my hyperlink too.
So in other words, you can have a whole series of questions up there and just reveal them one at a
Of
time.
course.
Step by step.
Yeah, so they don't go ahead of you.
You know,
So they won't go.
So then you could actually have in there the quiz that you were doing.
Yes,
quiz,
yes,
And then
and then
open
just-
it one
that's
at a
right.
time.
That's right.
Talk about that.
Yeah,
Cool.
yeah, I'm telling you, that, we went to Cindy's responder thing, and I think she's using it very well for foreign language,
Uh-huh.
but I think
There's a lot of stuff.
there's a lot of stuff you can do outside of what she's doing
Of course,
for, that.
because she's
very
got what
simple
works well for her.
For foreign language,
Yeah,
exactly.
right, exactly.
Right.
Okay,
Now,
what's the
I
next one?
I have to,
To show how,
The-
yeah,
the
yeah.
blue one.
Hang on.
now, what else do you want to see?
The blue.
Okay,
That one.
that just made it full screen,
Oh.
okay?
Wait, do that, say that
Now,
again?
the way you get rid of full screen is, this is the little control bar to go forward and backwards when you're in full screen,
Only gives
because you don't have anything else there.
Oh.
You notice all your stuff around the edge is gone now.
Oh, okay.
And so this is very handy when you need that. Yes, it is. And so I think I'm just going to continue this recording without making it into two.
So how do you make it go back to the regular size again?
I'm glad you asked.
You just hit the X,
X marks the spot.
and now you're back to
And
small.
ink gets rid of it. Anyway.
What's the
So,
next one
now,
then? Oh, I'm sorry.
that was our full screen.
Yeah.
Right?
All right. Now, the next one over, this little guy is going back to my desktop,
Oh, okay.
which is exceptionally nice to be able to do. Okay.
Because then you can go to anything else on
You
your.
can-
desktop.
And you'll notice you still have some of your notebook tools here. Okay.
You could switch a file, right? Oh, it's in this other PowerPoint, let me show you.
But you still have your notebook tool sitting up on top of your.
That's right. And I think if this does what I think it does, when I go right here, well, right there, that's okay. And I hit that, I'm back. Okay? Let's watch that one more time. I'm at the green arrow
Yeah.
and I'm pressing that icon. I went to my desktop. This is very, very useful. And I go down below the blue arrow now and I touch that and I'm back.
Okay,
You're back,
Les,
yeah.
can you show,
I didn't know about that.
can you
I
show,
hadn't tried it.
I did this with mine, I took my PowerPoints and I put them in the Smart.
Yes.
Okay, and I said I did that,
How'd
and
you
both
do
of
it?
these ladies said,
How'd
can you,
How'd
how
you
they
do
do
it?
it? I imported it.
Okay, good. That's the way to go.
So,
You wanna
okay, was
show
that
us
the
how
right
to do
way?
that?
Of
Yeah, and
course.
File import, they're so easy. Oh,
It is.
okay, that's all you did.
It
you go to
is.
file and the-
And I'll show you I'll show you what I have done at least 50 times. No, not
Okay.
50 times because there's not 50 teaching weeks. But I have done this throughout this particular year because
Okay.
last year I wasn't confident enough and I did everything in PowerPoint. And now I've decided that the notebook software is so versatile
Yeah.
that I will do everything
Myself
here.
now in Notebook because
So,
I made myself do this.
File,
Okay.
Import,
import,
Import, yeah.
okay?
So you have.
And
to
now
do
I'm
things
going
in
to,
Notebook.
right?
I'm going to go to my website and I'm going to show you a whole ton of them that I've been converting this year. And that was in my homework section. And in my homework section, I had something called whiteboards. And these are the whiteboards that were
Okay.
categorized by year.
Yeah.
And I'm going back to the 11 year. And let's go ahead and take the whiteboard for June 6th of last year. And here we go.
Okay, so it's taking it.
File
from
conversion in
PowerPoint.
progress.
I did, just save a good file.
Yes.
I'm not saying, oh yes, oh yeah, I save my
Still
stuff
right.
every day.
You didn't take it out of anything, you're just copying it and converting it over.
I'm converting it into notebook file format. It opens up PowerPoint. That's what you're seeing right now.
Yeah.
And it does its conversion. Watch the little thing move on the left here. See, it's at number 4 now.
Yeah.
And as soon as it has that one tucked in, it'll
Okay.
go to 5.
Five.
And it's converting it one page at a time.
And I have
Okay.
pictures.
Okay, now I.
When it's done, it will close up PowerPoint and you will see it in the notebook file. There it is.
Oh, wow. Now you can.
Now it's on
Yeah.
Smart, your Smart Notebook.
I'm back in Smart and now I can write on it. I can do all the neat little things that I want to do.
And you can embed a
You
web
name it, I'll do
You
it.
can embed a web page in it.
Absolutely.
But how did you do that? Just like
Yeah,
going
now I
in?
can-
File import.
File import.
Yeah, it was so big.
Yes,
So
Kim.
important for me. Go.
Kim's about
Okay,
to have an
okay, so if you made, like, I have PowerPoints where it has a video embedded in it.
Yeah, you can do that too.
Okay, so if I export the PowerPoint file,
Import.
It
I mean,
may,
import it
it may
into
not
the,
import the
Yeah.
link, because I know it doesn't work the other way.
it won't take the movie that's embedded in
No,
it.
but then you go in and just take the, put it
Just
on the
take it
flash
and-
and just,
Yeah.
you can do that on insert.
Yeah.
On insert right there, and you insert a video, cause I did that.
Yeah,
I had to
but-
do it for all my stuff for like play tectonics, a little
So
bit.
you have to put it back in.
You put
Yep.
it back in, but it's easy.
Nabila,
Yeah, now I want to make sure to learn how to use to prepare a fast quiz using responder.
yes, okay, let's do it.
Okay, wait,
Go
before
ahead.
you switch, can you do that last screen?
The last screen, what
The last one here
The
at the bottom.
one with the graph thing?
Oh, yeah, this
That
guy,
Yeah, what's that?
okay, splits your screen,
Oh, okay.
okay, and now as I go forward, I have 2 pages at a time, you see?
Oh, look at that.
See, the page on the right is gonna go to the left, watch,
Now, if you walked over and touched that page over there on the left,
yeah,
does it switch over to which one's, yeah, okay,
Oh,
good,
yeah,
so now
yeah.
now that's the one you're dealing with.
no, you're dealing with both of them. I can work over here, and
But
I
you
can
have
go
to
right over
touch
here.
it, what I'm saying is, it goes back and forth
Oh,
just by
yes.
touching it.
Oh, yes,
So
Yeah.
that's your active page, this is inactive, if you touch it, it becomes active, this is inactive.
that's right, okay, and so I think I can, yeah, there we go. And you can see that, what I did here is I imported you can import a Excel sheet, see on the left-hand pane?
Yeah,
I just imported it there,
yeah,
colors and everything.
yeah.
So that was in your whiteboard, and you just imported it into your SmartBoard.
Well, it was in a PowerPoint, it was in an Excel, Excel spreadsheet. A Word document you could copy and
But
paste.
you pasted that originally into your whiteboard thing, that's PowerPoint,
Yeah,
and then you
Excuse
took
me,
on PowerPoint and
President,
converted it
teachers,
to
the
here.
first
Oh,
bus
yes.
will be leaving from the front of school starting at 11:45.
What was-
Front of school
what
at
was the other thing?
11:45.
okay,
Make sure
this
you're
is
on
this
or
is
at
lots of fun. I'm gonna
11:45.
close this
Great,
file.
thank you.
No, okay, let's go in and let's go to a quiz that I was going to give that I realized I would never have time to give.
Thank you so much. I have to go.
My pleasure.
Okay.
Okay, these are quiz questions, okay?
Okay,
Now, let's say you wanted to add a new question, okay? I go right down here, see where I am?
where it says insert question.
That guy,
Yeah.
okay? Now, what kind of question do you want?
I get multiple choice.
Okay.
I have ABCD.
Okay, true, false. Here we go. This page or next page? Yeah, put it on a new page.
Yeah.
All right.
And then you have to.
All right, now I want you to fire up the I would fire up the responders and I
Yeah.
say, how did you like did you like the class? True or false?
True.
I don't have to put the answer.
No.
Oh, okay.
No. You see, it already starts the question
Very fast.
Yeah.
automatically. It's ready to go.
But then, yeah, I was doing it. I will have the question, but then you have to keep going back and forth to prepare this page for
Oh.
each question, or you can prepare ahead of time.
Oh, you can do it ahead of time. And you can also put them in up here. It works just as well.
Same thing we did.
They say, I'm going to stop
Yeah,
here.
I want something.
Got to stop here. Now, response. And then what I
But
would
you
do
can
is
import
insert the
the
question
questions From
and
something.
I get the same display
Yeah.
and it's going to put it on the next page. It's just a different way of making it. It
Now,
lets
can
you put in
can
the
you
correct
write the
answers.
question on this page.
Yeah,
Yeah.
well, I'll show you how it works. Multiple choice. All right, next. And then
And
you
then
put
you
in your
type.
question.
No.
Okay,
And
here's your
type the
question.
Here's your question, yeah.
Okay, next.
I have
And then you click the answer.
Okay,
Your answer.
answer 1, 2, 3,
Gotcha.
4, I don't spell very well, 5, okay, and next, you decide, oh yes, it's gonna be 3,
Yeah.
okay, and then you finish, and then, there it
There
is.
it is, boom, done, finished. Wow.
And,
I'm gonna use
what a concept!
With that, I mean, I've been print for a whiteboard, but now you can do it on your regular screen.
Oh.
You just don't have the touchy.
Once you have actually used this, you'll never go back to using the whiteboard. My whiteboards are useless now.
Okay,
Yeah.
but,
Yeah.
so,
I will send everybody the links to all the videos that I did,
Okay,
Okay.
good.
Les.
do you
because I did different stuff in the other class, which
We
was
just have
neat.
to email Shauna and say, please give us the product code number. Right.
Yeah.
You can do that with me too.
Oh, I'll
Want
do
your
it
product
here.
code number?
I'll do it here.
Okay. All right, here we go.